Hey Dan, I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can increase your online presence, the benefits of having a website, and of course, the traffic you can get and the calls you can get through having a website. So what I did is I just picked a great word that someone would, or great buyer intent word that someone would put into Google in order to find your service, like flooring. What would people in Philly be looking for um, when they're searching for your service? So, flooring, Philadelphia, PA. First thing that pops up are your ads. Now, I know this is a thumbtack ad, but all ads would work the same. So, if you have an ad up here, that would be every time you click on it, the person who's running the ad would be charged however much that word, according to Google, is worth. And then, of course, you'd have to have an ad spend set aside. Then you have your G&B or your Google Map Pack. Now, this is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people that search will stop right here and pick one of these three people. Then you have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So let's check out the top person for this keyword, flooring Philadelphia, PA, which, by the way, 250 people are searching this a month. So let's see what their website looks like and how they're getting that traffic or why they're getting that traffic. So take a look. They got a nice header. They got their logo. They got their drop-down menus. They do have a click-to-call. Now, a click-to-call is super important to have on your website because you want them to spend the least amount of time looking at your website and you want them to call you right away. So the more time they spend, the less likely they are to call. So just going through, they explain the different types of flooring they work with, and then of course they have links to the different pages, why you should work with them, and of course how they did well and reviews. So they don't have a ton of content on their site. What Google is truly looking for nowadays is 1,500 to 2,000 words on your site. The reason being is so that you can organically put buyer intent words throughout your site. Now, what a buyer intent word is, as I showed you before, the flooring Philadelphia, PA. Now, let's check behind the scenes of Philadelphia Flooring Solutions and see why they're doing so well. So first up, we put it into Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is a way to take a peek behind the curtains and check to see how well a website is doing and how they can improve. So first thing that we look at is the UR rating, which is the strength of their website, and the DR rating, which is Google's trust in their website. Now, ideally, we want this between 30 and 40. That's the best place you can, that's the ideal spot you can be. And always room for improvement, as you can see, 12 and 2.1. However, what they are doing really well is backlinks. They have over 11,000 different backlinks leading back to their site. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to theirs. And not all backlinks are created equal, so it is quality over quantity. For example, if you have like 1,000 backlinks from Wikipedia, that would be awful because Wikipedia is a very spammy site. However, if you have a bunch of backlinks from a flooring blog, that would be great because a flooring blog is relevant service. And then another thing they're doing really well are their organic keywords. What buyer intent words are they ranking for? So we take a look, and flooring Philadelphia. As I said, 250 people search that. They're in the first real position, as you saw. They're getting 34 people to their site just from that. Philadelphia flooring, 200 people. They're in the second or first or second real position. 25 people just from that. And if you go down the list, you can see these are all specific Philadelphia. They're talking about specific locations and specific services, and they're ranking for them, so they're getting that traffic and people coming through their site and actually calling or form submitting, which is what we're looking for. So if you're looking to, of course, start your own website and then work towards beating them out, first things up, once you create the website, you got to put content in it. So 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and then at least 500 to 700 words on every other service page and every other page you're going to add. And the reason for that is so you can put buyer intent words throughout your site. and rank for those buyer intent words. Once you have that, you need, as for working in tandem with that, you need backlinks. So get as many backlinks as you can. You want to beat out that competition as far as backlinks go. Good thing is you can use theirs. You can take theirs, add them onto yours, or take theirs, put them on yours, and then add more on top of that in order to beat them out. So you'll beat them out in content, beat them out in backlinks, so you can start gaining their traffic and start getting people to call through your website. Now, Dan, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a nice rest of your day.